DIY. I just thought I'd take you through this this little project I'm doing with my grandchild at the moment. Basically, it's teaching about basic circuitry, basic circuitry on a car, how to learn about it, how to put it together, what you're looking out for, how to do it safely, talking about voltage, talking about ohms, talking about amperages and things like that. But you have to start with something, you have to start somewhere, and basically he's quite of a young in age, but he's a real sort of huge into science and all that sort of thing. So we've been working on this circuit board. I'll take you through it, what I've got. Just bought a little bit of MDF. He'd come up with the design. This is something, he just ran away with it. I'm quite happy to sort of follow him. So basically what we started with, obviously you've got your battery, which your car's got battery. Obviously bear this in mind, use very low voltage stuff. Basically I've got wires and stuff like that I had knocking around the garage, some of it that I just went out and bought on the cheap. But I started off with, bought this like battery pack with, it's got about 4.5 volts in it. I mean, you can add to it as well, but obviously just keep it as low voltage as you can, as low as you can, but for the best output you can get. So basically what we've talked about is the actual batteries and volts themselves. We talked about like grounds, like the wire will go to a ground and everything can go to a ground, like of a car body. We put together a simple circuit, like with connectors. We've got a buzzer, be like your car horn. We've got a switch, which is done through that. I mean, we've got a wire going to ground there, various grounds coming in. We've got to put a switch on there, which is lit up, as you can see, and that would light up. I haven't got set up at the moment. A bulb. We've got fuses, which this is not high enough probably to blow a fuse. I wouldn't want to blow a fuse really while working alongside him. But we talk about various different switches, control switches, how to crimp connectors, various different connectors. Got one there as well. Insulation, got some insulation tape, got a little light on there, you can see goes on and off. As you can see, there it is. How to find problems that occur when a circuit's not working, how to find breaks in wires, stuff that's really opened up, very safe to use, but this is great for using your DVOM as well on there. And this is just going to grow and grow and grow. Might come away, might put it back, might add some more stuff to it, take stuff away, get stronger lights, things like that. It's just a great little project you can do alongside, I know, someone younger, who's someone who wants, or just teach yourself about electrics, because you've got to start somewhere. You know, you can find breaks in wires, you know, short to grounds, things like that, using crocodile clips, changing over clips, changing just anything that would help you diagnose any issues, basic issues to do with car or basic electrics really. But yeah, it's quite enjoyable. I mean, it takes a long time to get some of this stuff together, even use some cable ties on it. You know, just explain different voltages and things like that. I think it's I mean, some of you out there might go, oh no, I've got this great idea or whatever, but this is something that I'm learning the process along with him as well, and he seems to really enjoy it. So I don't know if any of you lot have done this sort of thing before, probably, but doing you know, electrical work, it's not something everyone knows. You know, everyone knows about it. You've got to start somewhere, and the only way you can start is by doing it. So let me know what you think, or hopefully this will give you some idea to do with your sons, grandsons, daughters, granddaughters, whatever, or just learning yourself. Hopefully this helps you. Good for science projects as well. Let me know, see what you think. Thanks for watching.